Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of the device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery requires up to 1.3 hours to charge from 0 to 50% and 2.7 hours from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The device has a standby time of up to 330 hours and a talk time of up to 8 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice, then select the settings icon. Select battery. Select the menu icon, represented by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then select battery usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. To view the battery usage details of a particular app or feature, select the app or feature under Battery Usage since full charge. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Battery Saver, then select Turn on Now. Battery Manager detects apps that are draining your battery and gives you the option to restrict these apps. Restricted apps may not work properly and notifications may be delayed. To turn on Battery Manager, from the battery screen, select Battery Manager. Select the Use Battery Manager switch to turn on. Another way to conserve battery life is by lowering the display brightness. To access display options, from the settings screen, select Display. Select Brightness Level, then select and drag the brightness slider to a setting below 100%, which is still comfortable to view. To enable Adaptive Brightness, select Adaptive Brightness, then select the Adaptive Brightness switch. To set a shorter screen timeout, select Advanced, then select Sleep. Select the desired screen timeout time. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. If enabled, select Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to turn them off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps, then select Done. To turn off Auto Sync, from the Settings screen, scroll to and select Accounts. Select the Automatically Sync Data switch to disable Auto Sync. Select OK to confirm. If disabling Auto Sync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. If you're traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar twice, then swipe left once to the drop-down menu and select the airplane mode icon. Select Turn On.